Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a freeze-dried food. I want to talk to you about cheese powder. Now, cheese powder is something that keeps for quite a while if properly stored, and you're able to add it to dishes where rather than having to grate up the cheese to make like macaroni and cheese or some other cheese dish, you can add the freeze-dried cheese powder to it. If you're buying commercial freeze-dried cheese powder, you may want to check the ingredients because sometimes they add funky stuff to it that they really don't need to be adding to it because it's cheaper, it's a filler. And they add stuff to it to basically make more that they can sell and make it at a cheaper cost for them. So think about adding cheese powder to your preps, and don't forget to check out, see what's in the particular brand of cheese powder you're getting. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month, and especially learn to grow an indoor garden, because next year we're going to be doing an indoor garden challenge for the entire year of 2025, and we're going to have some great gifts for the winners. All right?